Presenting Acer Aspire Lite Laptop. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home operating system. It has latest 13th generation Intel Core i3-1305U processor, delivers unmatched speed and intelligence. It includes 8 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM, 2 SODIMM sockets and 512 GB SSD NVMe solid-state drive storage. Designed with 15.6 inches Full HD display, 16:9 aspect ratio, ultra-slim design and narrow bezels. It offers advanced noise cancellation technology, ensuring crystal clear communication during online classes. Featured with independent numeric keypad and international language support. The connectivity ports include one Type-C port, two USB 2.0 Type-A port and one USB 3.2 Type-A port. The box includes laptop, power cord, adapter and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery.
The HP Laptop 245 G9 has a 14-inch display providing good visuals. It measures 32.4 cm long and 1.9 cm thin, making it easy to carry around at 1 kg 500 grams. This laptop is convenient with its lightweight and portable design. This laptop comes equipped with a 1366 by 768 pixel LED display. The resolution allows you to view content clearly while the LED backlighting provides vibrant colors and images. Experience the power of Windows 11 Pro on this laptop. With 512 GB of storage, you'll have ample room for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. 8 GB of RAM enables seamless multitasking and quick app launching. This combination of features makes it a great choice for work, entertainment, and everything in between. The laptop comes equipped with AMD Ryzen 3 dual-core processor for efficient multitasking, AMD Radeon graphics for visuals, 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage for quick data access and ample space to store files. It also has a Li-ion polymer battery for power backup. This laptop comes equipped with Realtek RTA8822C Wi-Fi supporting dual-band 2x2 connections. It also has Bluetooth version 5 for wireless accessory connectivity. Step into the future with this sleek laptop. Stay connected with 1x USB Type-C and 2x USB Type-A ports. Listen and chat easily using the built-in stereo headphone/M microphone combo jack. Experience the convenience of 5 Gbps signaling rates across USB ports. The Dell Inspiron 3535 has a 15.6-inch display for viewing content. With dimensions of 35.8 cm length and 23.5 cm breadth, this 1 kg 670 grams laptop is easily portable. The lightweight build makes it convenient to carry around. This laptop has an LED display for vibrant visuals. It offers a crisp viewing experience. See this notebook running Windows 11. With 512 gigs of storage, multitasking is a breeze. The 8 gigs of RAM ensure quick app launches and fluid browsing. This machine has the latest features to handle your productivity and entertainment needs. Experience efficient multitasking with the AMD R37320U processor. The 8 GB RAM LPDDR5 and 512 GB SSD offer smooth performance. Stay powered with the lithium-ion Li-ion polymer battery. For smooth computing, get this laptop with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port, headset jack, and USB 2.0 port. Stay connected on the go. Now, a look at the ratings. These scores evaluate key features and overall performance. Up next, what's in the box? We'll go through everything included with your purchase. This box contains a laptop, adapter, and manual. Uncover the product's true essence through customer reviews, where real experiences define its quality and performance. Gumsee Model 14 has a 14-inch display in a compact 28.4 cm by 7.8 cm body, weighing just 2 kg 410 grams. This lets you easily carry it anywhere. The large screen provides an immersive viewing experience in a portable form factor. This laptop has an LED display for bright and vivid visuals. Get ready to accomplish more with this laptop running Windows 11 Home. Experience fast boot ups and ample storage with 512 gigs. Multitask smoothly with 8 gigs of RAM. This device has the essentials for productivity and entertainment. Powered by 1250U processor and Intel UHD graphics, this laptop comes equipped with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM and 512 gigs of fast NVMe SSD storage. It has a lithium polymer battery for extended use. Experience wireless connectivity with Bluetooth. Type comfortably even in dark environments with a backlit keyboard. This laptop comes equipped with the key features you need for productivity and entertainment on the go. Experience next-level connectivity with this laptop's array of USB ports. It comes equipped with one USB 3.0 port for blazing file transfers, plus two USB 2.0 ports for all your other essential peripherals. Now, a look at the ratings. These scores evaluate key features and overall performance. Uncover the product's true essence through customer reviews, where real experiences define its quality and performance.